Dear King, I have a message for you. Can you read it to me? I lost my glasses again. Oh, I'm not so good at reading. I don't know all the letters yet. That's too bad. Come on, I'll teach you a new one. Do you know the letter E? No, but I think it's at the beginning of elephant. Right, come on. I'll show you a movie about the letter E, starring elephants. This is how you write the capital E. Start at the top and draw a straight line down, then a horizontal line. Then go up and make a second horizontal line and a third horizontal line in the middle. That's the big E. It almost looks like a ladder. I'm practicing the capital E now and writing it with a lots of colors. And I'm looking for my glasses.